Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong engineering mathematics problem coming from the RE Boards April 2025. And this problem is about calculus. So integral calculus specifically. So find the volume generated by revolving the area bounded by y equals 2x plus 3 and y equals x squared is revolved about the x-axis. So normally kasi, since nauulit naman yung mga board problems natin, so alam natin yung sagot. Umiilaw na, Sir IJ. So ang sagot dyan, Sir IJ, letter C, 2 to 8. So what if kasi pag binago yung given, syempre hindi naman natin masabi. So ano ba yung pinaka-general or standard procedure in solving this volume generated revolve about a certain axis? So ang hint lang naman ni Sir IG dyan, kung hindi nyo kayang tandaan yung mga vertical at horizontal strip, tingnan nyo muna, saan ba siya ni-revolve? So mapapansin nyo, it is revolve about the x-axis. So kung ni-revolve siya sa x-axis, that means yung magiging integral natin is with respect to x, that is dx. Kapag about naman sa y-axis, that is dy. So ano po ba, Sir IG, yung formula kapag ni-revolve natin about sa x-axis? So yung volume generated will be equal to the integral from x sub 1 up until x sub 2 ng y upper squared minus y lower squared multiplied by pi. So this is dx. So kapag naman sa with respect to y-axis, dx right squared minus x left squared dy from y sub 1 to y sub 2, multiply natin by pi. Kapag sa line, so siguro some other case or some other problem solve natin kapag ni-revolve naman siya about a certain line. Pero for the meantime, focus muna tayo dito, guys. So ano po bang pinaka first step na gagawin natin dito, Sir IJ? So ang ginawa ko kasi, guys, ginraph ko na agad. So as you notice, meron tayong area na nandito. Ito yung area ng region bounded by the two given curves, which is a line and a parabola. So ang first step dyan is to find for the intersection. So how do we find for the intersection? Since both of them are equated to y, so we'll just equate the x's or yung may mga x na variable. So we have 2x plus 3 equals x squared. Okay, kasi ito, equal lang dito since they are both equal to y. And then solving for x, so this will lead us to a quadratic equation. And then using our calculators, makukuha natin na yung value ng x ay negative 1 tsaka 3. So negative 1 to 3, so kung may mapapansin naman natin dito, negative 1 papuntang 3, that will be our limit. So yun yung magiging boundaries natin. So that will be pi multiplied by the integral from negative 1 papuntang 3. Ano ba yung nasa taas? Y upper is the nasa taas natin dun sa curve. Area form is, so magiging 2x plus 3 yung nasa taas natin, right? So kung mag-negative man yung sagot nyo, ibig sabihin lang, mali yung na-consider nyo na nasa taas. Minus y lower, which is x squared, raised to the power of 2, and then dx. Okay? Kayang-kaya na ito ng calculators natin. So, evaluate lang. Diba? Napakadali lang naman. Basta tandaan nyo lang kapag with about the x-axis, dx, about the y-axis, dy. Kapag sa line naman, siguro magkaroon tayo ng separate problem for that. Para at least mas maintindihan yung maigi. So, we have the integral of 2x plus 3, okay, quantity squared minus, ito kapag sinimplify natin is x to the 4th, mga iidolo, from negative 1 up until 3, and then multiply it by pi. So ano lalabas, loading x upon integration, so we have 1088 pi over 15 cubic units, or that is approximately 228 cubic units. So ano ba yung pinaka-hint lang dyan, Sir IJ? So ang unang hint muna, kunin natin yung intersection para alam natin yung upper and lower bounds natin dun sa definite integral natin. And then i-consider natin yung kung saan siya ni-revolve, kung x-axis dx, kung y-axis dy. And then, diretso na, ito lang naman yung solution yan. Huwag lang kakalimutan yung pi. Kapag sa about the line kasi, 2 pa yung ginagamit. Pag with respect to or revolve about the x or the y-axis, pi lang yung multiplier natin. So yun guys, sana may natutunan kayo for today's video and na-refresh man lang kayo sa problem natin for today. And good luck nga pala sa mga magte-take ng board exam for the second half of this year. Syempre, maraming mga boards na nakapila. And I hope makuha nyo na yung license nyo before the year ends. And maraming salamat guys sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel ko. And I hope you all the best. Pagpalain kayo palagi ni Lord. Stay safe. Bye-bye and God bless.